Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right mesh and measuring carefully. Pick power mesh for shaping or a woven for firm support. This affects stretch and boning placement. Once done, lay your pattern on the grain and cut panels with a 1/2 seam allowance so seams sit flat. Make clear marks for boning channels and overlap edges for busk insertion. These first steps control fit and durability, so spend the time to align panels and transfer markings accurately. Next, you assemble panels and add structure. Sew panels together with short stitches to reduce bubble. Use a stretch needle for elastic meshes. Then create boning channels by top stitching 6-8 mm from seams. Leave channel ends open so bones slide in. Once channels are ready, insert bones that follow the corset curve, plastic for light shaping, steel for strong cinch, making sure each bone matches the panel length and lies flat against the body. Finally, you finish edges, install closures, and test fit. Sew waist tape and reinforce stress points with bar tacks. Attach the busk and eyelet so closures align. Fit the corset gradually, lace a little at a time and assess pressure. Make sure bones don't poke and adjust positions or add small pads where gaps occur. If you see wrinkling, trim excess seam allowance or try firmer bones. A single troubleshooting move often solves fit issues, so make one change and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.